Live a life worthy of your calling. Bible, Ephesians 4:1.
God has given each one of us a particular vocation, be it a parent, child, sibling, doctor, nurse, advocate, teacher, priest, police, and so on, to continue His work on earth. He has also endowed us with all the needed talents and capacities to blossom and flourish in our calling. So let us be gratefully aware of such great gifts and use them for His glory, which is the well-being of our fellow humans and our world. Wishing you a day full of a deeper and grateful awareness of your calling. Sister Amala.